Hello, my name is Kung. Welcome to cyberNet channel. This video will shows you where to download and install Java Development Kit and Apache NetBeans IDE in your computer. First, access the Oracle site at www.oracle.com from a browser such as Chrome. The JDK is a development environment for building applications and components using the Java programming language. The JDK includes tools useful for developing and testing programs written in the Java programming language and running on the Java platform. Depending on your platform, select the appropriate installer. In my case, it is Windows 64X installer. After the downloading complete, click on the icon at the bottom left position to execute the installer. It's take a couple of minutes for the installer finished. The JDK is now on my system. Let's open the File Explorer to check. I copy the JDK path to add it to the system environment variable. Now let's open the environment variable dialog, and add the JDK path to the system variable. We do this in order to type the Java compiler name without supply the whole path. When we type Java or Javac in a command prompt, the OS will fill the executable files based the path we configured. Now, it is time to download and install Apache NetBeans IDE. Access the NetBeans site https://netbeans.org. Locate the Installers section, and select an appropriate installer. In my platform, I choose Windows 64 installer. Wait for the browser finishes downloading, then click on the executable at the bottom left to execute the installer. It takes some time for the installer to add Apache NetBeans into your system. NetBeans is an integrated development environment for Java. NetBeans allows applications to be developed from a set of modular software components called modules. NetBeans runs on Windows, macOS, Linux, and Solaris. In addition to Java development, it has extensions for other languages like PHP, C, C++, HTML5, and JavaScript. Applications based on NetBeans, including the NetBeans IDE, can be extended by third-party developers. The IDE is licensed under the Apache License 2.0. Previously, from July 2006 through 2007, NetBeans IDE was licensed under Sun's Common Development and Distribution License, a license based on the Mozilla Public License. In October 2007, Sunday announced that NetBeans would henceforth be offered under a dual license of the CDDL and the GPL version 2 licenses, with the GPL linking exception for GNU ClassPath. Oracle has donated NetBeans platform and IDE to the Apache Foundation, where it underwent incubation and graduated as a top-level project in April 2019. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button under this video.